Good morning, traders. This is Tony from the Funded Trader. Today is October 3rd, 10:37, and we are going to trade the NQ or the Nasdaq today. We'll use Ripper X Reloaded on the 25 bar size for the Renko charts. Looks like we're in a period of consolidation, so we'll hold off on turning the bot on at this point until we can break out of this consolidation. We do now have a gray signifying an uptrend still, so we might be either continuing this consolidation or breaking out of it for a further upside. So let's just see what price action does. We are in a range, so I tend to not engage the bot until we're in a clear direction. We are in this range here, so let's see here the consolidation. We did have a strong uptrend here. We had three good solid long trades. I tend to not go past 3 trades in a trend because then something like this ends up happening. So 3 is just my number. Some people stop at 2, right? There's always going to be a trade. So my rule of thumb is if I have 2 or 3 good trades on a trend, I will turn the bot off and wait to see what happens. We did break through a little bit here, which may signify that we are going to break to the downside. Let's see, we touched it here once, twice, 3, 4 times. If it does break down, it'll be probably pretty strong. And there we go. Not uncommon to see after a strong uptrend, a consolidation period. What I'd like to see is this retrace to the purple line and then come back down here again. So let's see if that is how this plays out. I've been using TruTrade's bots for about a year now. I started with AutoRipper, went to AutoRipper for multiple instruments, and upgraded recently to Ripper X Reloaded, which is a great bot. Okay, let's see what happens here. Let's see if we have some momentum down. We are below the lines, purple. We have some back into the channel again. I'll engage it. I am trading a larger account here, so I'll have a larger contract position. Usually like to shoot for between 3,000 and 5,000 a day. Looks like we're going to head back to the top of that channel or break out.
Order filled.
Here we go.
Order canceled.
Okay. That's what we like to see. Notice it did retest the low of this channel. 1, 2, 3. We'll give it that 4, 5. This is the 6th time. And two things tend to happen. If it comes through this for this many times, you may see a pretty strong break to the downside. But if we continue to see it bouncing here, again, you can get a good good break to the upside. So this seems to have a downward push right now. So it hit this low here. Here we go. Okay, looks like we may hit our
Order
break even.
filled.
It did. 1300. First trade of the day, not bad. It did make a lower low, made a higher low so far. Again, today's bias is up. Right now the Nasdaq is up 172 points, so let's see, we break through here, here we go. It's really respecting this area here of resistance. We should see that if this continues up, we should see this trend line shift here and then do a retrace. All right, we could probably
Order
go
filled.
here. Pretty strong momentum upward. Let's see this move up. Come on, there
Order
we go.
canceled.
And we did break out of this period, so we're probably going to shoot up a little bit unless we hit my break even.
Order filled.
Okay, 2,700. Looks like we may have another
Order
long trade
filled.
coming. Again, it did make a higher high here, higher high, higher high. It broke through this resistance pretty strong. Trend line shifted. We're above both lines, gray area, so let's see how we fare on this trade.
Order canceled.
RipperX is usually pretty good in consolidated periods. Stop up a little bit.
Order
All
filled.
right. I'm going to turn the bot off at this point. Usually, like I said earlier, I like to go between 3,000 and 5,000 a day. We're at 5,600 before this bar closes, so it's probably around 43, 4,400, and which will be good for the day. Let's wait for this bar to close to see what profit is for the day. I trade every day, usually pre-market, sometimes the open. Most of the time it's usually anywhere between 30 or an hour after the open, and also trade the cash close. I practice between the morning and the cash close a few hours on simulation, just to hone my skills, but overall, those are the times I trade. I don't like to trade Tokyo or anything like that. Morning is usually best. Cash close, depending on the news of the day and the earnings releases and things like that, I'll tend to look at. But if you like what you see, you like the videos, I do them every day. Yep, so we're at 4,500. I do them every day. So like and subscribe to the channel for more. I'll be trading other bots as well, so stay tuned. So have a great day. Hopefully you have a profitable week, and enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you. Bye-bye.